Oh no, that also takes stamina. Thank you. Alright, now we can loot. Perfect, some rocks. We can start upgrading. What's that? Look like the holy symbol. Ending. Slow fall. Where did it go? Not gonna worry about it. Alright. That's not particularly too good at stuff. Rocks. There is some stuff in here that I am happy about because I needed it. Travel potion, perfect. Getting around. Got in here. Oh, lightning arrows. Got in here. Ice ammo. Let's use that. Alright, what we got in here? I do want to mention, I don't know how long this is actually going to go on, the series itself. There are bosses, so I think it should just be mandatory to only continue, until I know more about it at least, to only continue, I guess, to the final boss. I'm assuming there's a final boss that's just that guy. Obviously, since apparently I heard that there's these things called Awakened. Don't know what those are, but that is a thing. Oh, okay, I won't lie, this gate opening low-key sounded like a zombie dog growling, so I oh my god, okay. Oh, close to need to repair this. Oh, it's repaired just like that, okay. Let's go. Also, 24, that's definitely duration cooldown. So if I consume this and also drink that. In the ground. Oh wait, what was that it? Oh, it's still there. Okay. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. What are you looking at here? Is tier 4? Tier 4? Not cooking it, but I do know exactly where the loot is for that building right there. And that's exactly where we're gonna head after we clear these out. I promise, death happened once. Alright, let's get on the platform actually, because, oh god, this is a horrible idea. This is a horrible idea. Well, if they can get up here. Okay. Never mind. I'm still good. Okay, perfect. Alright, let's check. What we got in here? Medical supplies. Take that. Definitely gonna take that. Okay. I'm not gonna get rid of any, like, ammo stuff because I normally do that, but the thing is, I don't know what's useful in this game, so it's probably better if we don't do that till we know what's going on here. And I left that bridge there because, well, I have a streak of bad luck when it comes to doing things I'm not supposed to in games like this. Especially in this game. I always seem to, I see a tier 4 or 5 building in any type of playthrough I do for this game, and I always seem to just be lured to it. And I mean that in a way like I will physically ignore everything, including the tutorial quest, just to get a few pieces of wood and spend about 30 minutes trying to beat into a chest. Very similar to this one right here with 10,000 HP. Oh my god, you don't understand how many times I did that, and to this day, don't still, as a repercussion, don't believe that, I guess I still believe it was worth it. It'll always be worth it. Why? It's a challenge. Honestly, all of these enemies here, have the ability to one-shot me or have the most unspeakable power in this entire world. I honestly don't know what they do here, and I think that's a tier 4 over there, to be honest. I'm not gonna do that, but no, that's the factory. That's tier 3. Okay, but yeah. I was hoping to get maybe just even one more lockpick. Okay. Okay, as long as I don't wake them up. I see a bunch of fire dudes, which I'm, not too happy about that. Oh, that was search. Okay. I doubt I'm going to get into this on the first try. I doubt I'm going to get into this on the second try. I'm probably going to have to do a jump cut of me literally breaking into this with that damn axe right there. That stone axe. Oh, nope, I knew it. And, oh god, I don't even want to use the last one. I know it's going to fail. Here we go. And, yep, there it goes. It failed. Ooh, we're going to be here quite a while. Unless they allow us to make lockpicks. No, I got out of we'll just jump to it now. Alright. Sheesh. Dart trap bundle? That's well, honestly, I shouldn't be surprised by that, but this medical crafting, shotgun crafting, repair tool crafting, a beaker, okay, perfect. A pipe rifle, I thought I had a bone knife, I guess not. But a level 4 bone knife, a bunch of arrows, comet spell. Oh, that's for freezing and chilling. Ice spells, lightning, and then fire spells. Okay, what's in this? Oh my, whoa. Yeah, pest. Check out these crazy traps for pest control. Okay. I mean, I'll read those, but hold up. Alright, so it looks like we got 3 dart traps, 3 switches, 3 trigger plates, and then we have over 1,500 darts itself. Alright, let's take everything. Let's try to do something like this. I think. That should work. Nice. Okay. Well, I also did get steroids from that, so let's pop into those real quick. Feeling a little bit more confident now, I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, not again. Definitely feel, bit of confidence that I definitely shouldn't be trusted with. And this is exactly why. Oh my god, is this the bird chasing me too? Wait, hold on. Back up. Is that it? Oh, well, I thought I was gonna get more action than that. Wow, that's... Did I... Were they just throwing hissy fits? Oh, big boy. There he is. Alright. Well, enough messing around. Let's get some stuff done. Do we have anything here? Fire sorcery training. Gather stones. I have the clay. I need the coal. And then I need to make the spell forge. I feel like... Because there is a wasteland not too far off from here. A little bit backtracking past the trader again. Ooh. Thank you. Finally, okay. There's a wasteland there, and I saw a bunch of trees and coal. Gladly can take that. Oh my god, that didn't sound very, pleasant. Oh. Bruh. Hey, boy. you want from this? Now, you sure you're a sorcerer? It's like they say in America, guns solve everything. I see what they mean now. Your sorceries have no aim. Oh my god, I was thinking that. Doesn't matter. I am a fire sorcerer. Barely did. Oh, fire hammer. And then we got this. What does this do? Forged by transmuting fire essence out of spell forges to enable enchanters to craft fire runes. Installing this fire hammer into an enchanting table will imbue it with the raw power of fire. Okay. Okay, that's pretty. Oh. Okay, that's pretty cool. Not sure we have that much more exploring left to do. We just, I was gonna say we cleared this out. We damn near did not clear this out. But we will in the future. Don't get me wrong, guys. We definitely will in the future. Ow. He died. Actually. Go forth, my familia. Cause I get this. I don't need that. Bing. Yeah. Honestly. Ah, it's locked. This is locked. Look at all those ATMs in there. This is locked. That leads into the sewers. And then I wonder. I've never broken into one of these in like Alpha 21. I can get her over here. Look at this stuff. Burning. What is this? Augment XP roll. Scrolls, imbue, sorcerers with powerful enchantments, while some even conjure items. Recite incantations of sorcery. Say less. Augment, rune ability, or stone damage increased by +0. What? So I'll put this right here. Nah. But then we got this, which I will gladly wear. And then scrap that. We have a burning rune, and we have some more fire essence. Just to mess with you. Ow. Okay, hold on. You had no authority to do that, ma'am. Perfect. Well, I figured about you less than. It's still going. And then it also made me hungry. Okay, nothing shakes. Grab all of that. Not sure why that's like that. Ew, don't laugh at me like that. Nasty. Nasty ass. Now. Ow. Right in your foot. Oh, perfect. With that lightning! Damn! Oh, shit. Bitch. And I'm level 5. Oh, you want another one? I missed. Why I'm messing around so much. The coming of age of this thing actually brought up. barrels. Like, until I break it, it's not gonna stop. I mean, actually, I have a horrible feeling that this is attracting a screamer because I forgot heat exists in this game. Okay, hold on, come on. Is that really it? I just have to go through 2 phases? Even he turned around once I stopped. Is there something useful in it? Okay, this video had a ton of cuts, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's 2051, which means it'll become nighttime fairly quickly. At 22:00 to be exact. So let's get this done real quick. Let's go to Fire Sorcery. Is there nothing? Wow. I mean, then I guess I'll just... There's actually nothing. Okay, well, guys, I'm going to end this here while I'm running back, because if not, and I stop, and just... I'm going to end up getting caught out at night regardless, and all that off-screen running around. Not today, boys. Nope. It is the same day as the first video, though, so that's why I recorded 2 videos in one day. But thank you all for watching. This feels like a very relatively short video, but it's mainly because I came back after recording the first half of the second video. I was about to say, it did feel kind of short. Like, I only felt like I recorded 4 actual clips. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, subscribe, and like, I'll see y'all later.